Erokamane Justice Adok mlipot maket koda manindo. Weche mamoko en ni jatend obila kata ogai mar obila e pach kaendi Douglas Kanja koro nitugo koko kendo chiwo sim mager ne jonjore kata ne kwetho moramora mar maundu mabende koro ichano mar tigodo e weche giko mago mag muocho tulo e kinde yiero mar higa manyien 2027. Kanja mane loso e kinde romo mare koda apisas giko mago kwach kiche pach kaendi ne oyango ni tend obila koro ni to ikore makare ne rakre koda oganda geko kata jogo ma biro rocho weche giko mago mag Kwee ka ojiwo jo Kenya mondo kik bed koda luoro mar moro amora kaluwore ni Arita biro bedo e jonendo mano makare.
Na tumekubaliana leo, jana tulikuwa Runyenjes sub county, tumekuwa pale Mwea, leo tuko Manyata na bado tuna engage watu wa Bere North.
And these are some of the things that we have actually been discussing. Goods, as I have said elsewhere, these are criminals. And our business is dealing with criminals. So these are some of the strategies that we are discussing when we are meeting with the senior leaderships to situate that goods and other criminal gangs are done away with. Yeah? We don't have space for these criminals. And the road is actually, I think we're going to see what we are going to do going forward. Yes. Our next year general election is not far away from where we are. It's around 15 months away. And the National Police Service, you are also aware that it plays a critical role in ensuring that we have the right environment to allow the people of Kenya exercise their democratic rights in electing their leaders. So we must, as a service, must also continue to prepare ourselves.
Our government has been grey listed for not fully complying with the AML safety matters. And as we stand now, the government has taken a raft of measures to make sure that we, as a country, come out of this grey listing. The National Police Service is one of the key implementers. And our main responsibility is on the aspect of financial investigations. Are we able to really capacitate our officers in the area of investigations, particularly the AML CFT investigations? So what we are doing at the moment is capacity building of our investigators on matters of AML CFT. And I must appreciate the fact that the government, Treasury, has allocated sufficient resources for these exercises so that all the National Police Service officers from the level of the station commanders up to the top leadership are trained on matters of financial investigations.